Welcome back, YouTube, to another Fat Guy Builds. And today my fat body is going to put on some mud flaps for you, show you step by step what you need to do, and give you a little feedback on whether or not I like them or if I think they're trash. So let's get to the install. Here's a part number for these mud flaps. After opening the box, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see instructions for a couple different things here. We got mid-model 2009 models and classic models. Different instructions for each. You get a little piece of advertising. And then you got your 4 mud flaps, front and rear. We got all 4 front and rears. So the one here where it dips down harder is the front because the fender fits in here, and this is the rear, the one that's shaped like this. You're gonna get a bag of hardware with a bunch of screws and threaded clips and crap. We're gonna start here on the rear. On the rear, you need to take out this 8mm and this 8mm. Underneath, we have 2 T15s, Torx bits. Now you're going to install the mud flap with the 2 factory 8mm screws. Then we're going to use a Sharpie. We're going to mark this hole here, and we're going to mark this hole here. Then we're going to remove this, drill those holes so that we can put our little clips in and add screws. After drilling a 1/4 inch hole, you're going to put one of these clips that's threaded here. So now we have a thread here, here, and here. Then you drill the 1/4 inch hole in the back here. But for this one, because of the amount of plastic, we have to put the clip behind this and then install all the rest of them. Well, the hardest part was getting this lined up. Take your wheel off, save you a bunch of headaches. On the back side of that screw, you're going to put this clip here, and that's what it looks like installed. On the front, you can turn the wheel. So turn the wheel so you have as much space to work with as possible. And then you're going to remove the same 8mm factory screws and take the black factory piece off. We're going to drill this top one with the wheel turned all the way in like this, and then the other one is going to be easier to drill when you rotate the tire the opposite way. It'll give you more room. Now that we drilled where I marked it here with the Sharpie, we're going to put the clip on the back side to secure the mud flap. There we have it. We have 1 screw up top, the 2 factory ones, and then 1 aftermarket screw on the bottom. Here's what it looks like installed. Not bad. The fitment is pretty good. Lines up nicely with the rear quarter and the front fender. Nice and tight fit. Here's what it looks like from underneath. In the back, very good fitment. Here's a different angle and different lighting. Clears the exhaust nicely. So guys, install, not too bad. Maybe 1.5 out of 5 stars difficulty wise. Just got to make sure you have the right drill bits. Lifting up the rear end so that the tire and the fender are farther apart, or just taking the tire off would be the best way to not have problems trying to drill the holes. Other than that, the front ones, just turn the wheel, you get the install done right. The fitment's good, it's smooth, it follows the fenders, the fitment's not all funny, and they're actually pretty durable and strong feeling. We won't know, obviously, till we drive it, till we put some wear and tear on it, see what it looks like. But at the price point it's at, go ahead, pick them up. Links in the description below. If you don't like this video, thumbs it down, like it, thumbs it up. You want to see some more craziness, hit subscribe. Until next time, wrench on.